Hello, everyone. I'm Louis. Welcome back to my story. Today, we are going to talk about a delicious topic, food. Food is something we all love. It gives us energy, makes us happy, and brings people together. In this video, I will teach you how to talk about food in English. We will use simple words and phrases, so it's easy to follow. By the end, you'll be able to describe your favorite dishes, ask questions about food, and talk about meals with confidence. Let's get started. Food is an important part of our lives. We eat every day, and we often talk about food with friends and family. Talking about food helps us make conversations more fun. Everyone loves to talk about their favorite meals. Learn about new cultures. Different countries have different foods. Share experiences. Talking about food can bring people closer. For example, you can say, "I love pizza," or ask, "What's your favorite dish?" 1. Talk about tastes. Food can have many different tastes. Use these words to describe the flavor. Sweet. Cakes, candies, and ice cream are sweet. Example, I like sweet food, especially chocolate. Salty. Chips, fries, and pretzels are salty. Example, these chips are very salty, but they are tasty. Spicy. Some dishes with chili or pepper are spicy. Example, I love spicy food like curry. Sour. Lemons, yogurt, and some candies are sour. Example, this lemonade is too sour for me. 2. Talk about textures. Textures describe how food feels when you eat it. Crunchy. Chips, crackers, and nuts are crunchy. Example, I love crunchy snacks like carrots. Soft. Bread, cake, and tofu are soft. Example, this cake is so soft and fluffy. Chewy. Some candies or meat are chewy. Example, this candy is too chewy for me. 3. Talk about temperature. Temperature makes a big difference in how food tastes. Hot. Soup, tea, and pizza can be hot. Example, be careful. The soup is very hot. Cold. Ice cream, salad, and smoothies are cold. Example, a cold drink is perfect on a hot day. Now, let's talk about your favorite food. Here are some examples. 1. Name the dish. My favorite food is pizza. I love sushi. 2. Describe the ingredients. Talk about what's in the dish. Pizza has cheese, tomato sauce, and toppings like pepperoni or vegetables. Sushi is made with rice, seaweed, and fish. 3. Explain why you like it. Say why you enjoy it. I like pizza because it is cheesy and delicious. Sushi is my favorite because it is fresh and healthy. For example, my favorite food is spaghetti. It's a dish with pasta, tomato sauce, and sometimes meat. I like it because it is easy to cook and tastes amazing. When talking to someone about food, you can ask questions to learn more. Here are some useful questions. 1. Ask about their favorite food. What's your favorite food? Do you like pizza? 2. Ask about the ingredients. What's in this dish? Does this have meat in it? 3. Ask about the taste. Is it sweet or salty? Do you like spicy food? For example, what's your favorite food? Oh, you like sushi? That's great. What kind of sushi do you like? Different countries have different foods. It's fun to learn about them. Here are some examples. Italian food, pizza, pasta, and gelato. Japanese food, sushi, ramen, and tempura. Mexican food, tacos, burritos, and guacamole. You can say, I want to try Japanese food. It looks delicious. I've eaten tacos before. They are very tasty. Ask your friends about foods from their culture. What food is popular in your country? Can you recommend a dish I should try? Talking about food is fun and easy. You can describe the taste, texture, and ingredients of your favorite dishes. You can ask your friends about their favorite foods and learn about different cultures. Spaghetti bolognese, my favorite dish to cook. I also enjoy cooking, and my favorite dish to make is spaghetti bolognese. It's an Italian pasta dish with tomato sauce and mincemeat. Cooking spaghetti bolognese is simple, but it always tastes delicious. Here's how I make it. Boil the pasta. I start by boiling the pasta in a big pot of water with a little bit of salt. This makes the pasta soft and flavorful. Prepare the sauce. While the pasta is boiling, I make the sauce. I cook minced beef with garlic and onions in a pan. Then I add canned tomatoes, a little bit of tomato paste, salt, pepper, and a pinch of sugar to balance the flavors. Mix it together. After the pasta is ready, I drain the water and mix the pasta with the sauce. Add cheese. Finally, I sprinkle grated cheese on top. Sometimes I use Parmesan cheese, but any kind of cheese works. The smell of the sauce cooking fills my kitchen, and it always makes me hungry. Eating spaghetti bolognese feels like a reward after cooking. I love sharing it with my family because it's a dish that everyone enjoys. Memorable food experiences. Food is not just about taste. It's also about the memories and experiences connected to it. One of my most unforgettable food experiences was eating fresh seafood by the beach. I was on vacation with my family, and we visited a small seafood restaurant. The fish was grilled perfectly, and the prawns were so fresh that they melted in my mouth. Eating while listening to the sound of the waves was magical. Another special experience was trying homemade dumplings at a friend's house. Her grandmother made the dumplings by hand, filling them with pork and vegetables. She taught us how to fold the dough into small pockets. When we cooked and ate them, they were soft, juicy, and full of flavor. That day, I learned that food is not only about eating. It's about sharing, learning, and creating memories together. Foods I want to try. I love trying new foods from different countries. There are still many dishes I want to taste. For example, sushi. I've heard so much about sushi, a Japanese dish made with rice, seaweed, and raw fish. It looks fresh and healthy, and I can't wait to try it one day. Tacos. Tacos are a Mexican dish with a crispy or soft shell filled with meat, beans, vegetables, and sauce. They look colorful and delicious. Paella. Paella is a Spanish dish made with rice, seafood, and saffron. I think it would be a wonderful dish to share with friends. Each country has its own unique foods, and I believe tasting them is a way to learn about the culture and traditions of that place. Why food is special to me. Food is more than just something to eat. It connects us to people, places, and memories. For me, pizza reminds me of fun times with friends. Pho takes me back to Vietnam, and spaghetti bolognese brings my family together. I also love how food lets us be creative. When I cook, I can change recipes to make them my own. I can add more cheese to my pizza, make my spaghetti spicier, or use new ingredients in my dishes. Cooking and eating are both ways to express myself and share love with others. What about you? Now I want to know about you. What is your favorite food? Do you like cooking? Do you have any special food memories? Let's talk about food in the comments. Thank you for listening to my food story. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. See you next time. Bye.